Hello children. Well, today with the help of this video we'll be learning something new, and this new lesson is lesson 6 adjectives from your English grammar book. What are adjectives? Well, before learning about adjectives, let me revise noun, because we need to know what is a noun first to get a better understanding of adjective. So what is a noun? Let us revise. A noun means name of a person, place, animal or thing. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are also called describing words. Words that tell us about nouns are called describing words or adjectives. What does an adjective do? An adjective tells us more about the nouns. It tells us about the shape of a noun, the size, color, number, the taste, and how something feels. Now, with the help of an apple, I'm going to explain. Can you look at this apple? How will you? Apple is a thing, okay? So it is a noun. Now, how will you describe this apple? This is a red apple. So, in this sentence, this is a red apple. Apple is a noun. And what are we saying about this apple? How are we describing this apple? We are saying that this apple is red in color. It is very juicy. So again, how are we describing? What are we saying about this apple? That it is a juicy apple. It is juicy, it is sweet, it is crunchy. So all these words, juicy, red, sweet, crunchy, all these words are called adjectives or describing words, because by using these words we are describing this apple, right? Now let me give you 4 more examples. Now can you see this pencil? Right? This is an orange pencil. So pencil is an object, it is a noun. And how are we describing this pencil? That it is an orange pencil. So an adjective in this sentence is orange, right? Because what are we saying about this pencil? That it is orange in color. Or we can say, this is a big pencil. Big. So the word big is an adjective. And in this case, this is a small pencil. So how are we describing this pencil? What are we saying about this pencil? That this is a small pencil. So the word pencil is a noun. And what are we saying about this noun? How are we describing it? We are saying that it is a small pencil. So the word small is adjective. Now, with the help of this doll, can you describe this doll? Yes, we can see. This is a pretty doll. This is a pretty doll. So what are we saying about this doll? That it is a pretty doll. She has what? Can you see? She has blue eyes. So eyes is again an object. You can say blue. So what is the color of her eyes? Blue. And golden hair. So what is the color of her hair? Golden. She is wearing a pretty dress. Dress. We are talking about dress. Dress is a thing. And how are we describing? What are we saying about this dress? That she is wearing a pretty dress. She is wearing a purple colored dress. Right? So the word purple is again an adjective. Now look at this book. This is a thick book. So what are we saying? How are we describing this book? That this is a thick book. And when we look at this book, this is a thin book. So what did we say about this book? That this is a thin book. So the word thin and the word thick is an adjective or describing words. Well, I'm sure your concept about adjective is clear with the help of all these examples. Now let me read out this example number 1. I have a black car. So the word black, it is describing, what is it saying about this car? That it is in black in color. So the word black is an adjective. Anu is a beautiful girl. So again, what are we saying about this girl? That she is beautiful. So the word beautiful is an adjective word. Now, exercise number 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Here, we have given you 12 sentences. You have to underline the adjective or the describing word. So, when you read this sentence, first you find out which word is a noun, and then you try to figure out what are we saying or how are we describing that noun. It is a sunny day. So what are we saying about this day? That it is a sunny day. It's a feeling, right? You can feel that yes, it is a sunny day, it is a bright day. That bag is yellow. So again, we are describing the color of the bag. So the word yellow is an adjective. Raman has 3 pencils. Pencil is again a noun. And what are we saying? How many pencils? So this is how many pencils does Raman have? He has 3 pencils. So the word 3, we are describing the number. So 3 is an adjective. An ant is a tiny insect. So what type of insect is ant? Ant is a tiny insect. So your next exercise is choose an adjective from the list on the left and match with the nouns given on the right. So this is your right hand side and this is your left hand side. You have few adjective, the words over here. You just have to match the appropriate adjective like a dash bear. Just find out whichever word which is suitable, a suitable adjective, and try to fill it up. Like a dash sunflower. We all know a yellow sunflower, right? A dash bang. Bang means जोर से जो एक आवाज जो हम पटकते हैं. This is bang. So a loud bang. Your next exercise is fill in the blanks with the adjectives given in the box. So we have few adjectives in the help box. Just pick up the correct adjective and fill up the sentence. My room is very dash. It can be big. Mr. Sharma is an. So he is an old man, right? India is a big country or beautiful country. We have to read all the sentences to figure out which is an appropriate adjective. The dog is a dash animal. The dog is it can't be tasty, it can't be long, it can't be happy also. So the dog is a faithful animal. Right, children? So, well, with the help of this video, I'm sure your concept on adjective is clear. So try to complete all your work in your English grammar copy and study for your half-yearly exam too. Till then, bye-bye.